Yeah, so 12 months ago, I received the Oraimo BoomPop 2. I've been using it for a while now. Till date, I still use it for my editing, listening to music. Anytime I travel, I still use it. But the only downside with this is I feel it's too big for me. And the left ear side got broken few days after I got it. But aside that, everything works till date. The only other problem I saw was the ear cushion started tearing off, but most of the times I use the wired connection to enjoy seamless editing and workflow. So far I will rate the Oraimo BoomPop 2 8 out of 10. Yeah, so Oraimo sent in the new Oraimo BoomPop N, the smaller in size and everything looks nice. So let's unbox this and check the new features. Right, so with the unboxing, Oraimo kept things simple. The box is a bit smaller than the earlier models just to save the world and keep things simple. So right from the box is the user manual, of which you need to read to understand how you can customize or use the product in case you find any difficulties when using the product. And also you get to see the short Type-C cable for charging the device anytime it goes off. So it's a USB to Type-C cable that charges your device so you enjoy your Bluetooth listening or maybe wireless music. And the next is the AUX cable, of which you can connect to your laptop, phone or any other device just to enjoy music without connecting Bluetooth or maybe charging the device. Yeah. And the last is the main device itself, the Oraimo BoomPop N. Yeah, so as you can see, the device looks clean and Oraimo called this the speed black color. Yeah, so let's move on to the price. The Oraimo BoomPop N at the time of recording this video currently costs 360 Ghana cedis on the Oraimo website. So make sure you buy from the website or download the Oraimo Store app and use the promo code Kwame Fortune for a 5% discount on this product and any other Oraimo products. Yeah, so the Oraimo BoomPop N has this colorful speed black color. So it's a blend of black and let's say deep blue black. Yeah, so you can see from the shades of black in sunny days, you see the shiny parts are mostly darker than the other side, of which makes Oraimo call it speed black color. You can see this time around it came with boldly written left and right indicators inside the ear cups for you to easily identify where to place or how to position the headset, whether in public, whether working or any other part. So let's check out the port that came with the Oraimo BoomPop. And so it has the ports from the other versions of the Oraimo BoomPop. So it has the audio jack port for wired connection. It also has a Type-C port for charging. You can see the audio controls, the volume up and volume down. Then the middle one is for the power button. So you just click that one and you see the indicator on means your device is on, of which is ready to pair and all of that. So as you can see, it's just nice. Personally, I like this compared to the black and green one. That's the Oraimo BoomPop 2 and the BoomPop 2S. All black or maybe the shades of black color makes it very nice for outdoors, gym, like any other occasions. In general, I just like the design and the build quality. Also, you can see the ear cushion is very soft and it's not that easy to peel off compared to the BoomPop 2, which I've used for almost a year now. Yeah, so pairing the Oraimo BoomPop N to your phone and the Oraimo Sound App just got easier. Just make sure you pair it with the Bluetooth first. So you connect the headset to your phone's Bluetooth and later switch over to the app. And make sure you click on Add Device, so it will search for the device if the Bluetooth is turned on. So after that, you allow the permissions from the phone. Then you see the device on your screen. You just click on it. After some time, you see the device will just pair with the app, and from here you can customize it to your liking. So you just tap on it to open the menu and you have access to features like the noise cancellation. You can toggle to the next one, that's the noise cancellation off, and the other one is also the transparency mode. And all of this will be speaking out or will be having sounds anytime you click on them. You can also change the equalizer settings. I always use the heavy bar style, but you can choose from the list of options over there, the rock, the standard, the jazz, the vocal and other stuffs. You can even go ahead and click or maybe click on create just to change or maybe use your own custom equalizer and enjoy the sound that you like. But I normally use the heavy bass one. So after that, you can click on the special 360 audio to have that particular effect. And you can also toggle on and off the sound that comes up anytime you connect or maybe turn the power on. So power on, power off. You can just decrease that sound if you don't like how it sounds anytime you turn your device on. So before you can connect with two devices at the same time, make sure you turn on the dual device connection on. And you can also change the name of the Bluetooth. That's the Oraimo BoomPop N to any other name you like. So after changing the name, you need to go back and bind the device again before you'll be able to have access to the Oraimo Sound App. And you continue with your audio listening, or maybe you continue with using the device. Yeah, so Oraimo didn't specify the IPX rating of this device, but it can withstand little drops of water, sweat, heat, and maybe some dust while you are using it. So let's say you are jamming, or maybe some rain, or you just fall into water, but it's not advisable to test it with maybe actual deep water, or maybe a pool or any other form of like large water. Yeah. Yeah, so Oraimo promise up to 65 hours playtime with the ANC off, and up to 44 hours if you have the ANC on. And you can take up to 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100, and it should take you 65 hours ANC off and 44 hours ANC on. Yeah, so let me know your favorite feature on this device, and let me know the next Oraimo product I should unbox next.